Holy shit, it's happening again.
Wanted for law enforcement officer killed or seriously injured in line of duty on Monday, February 23, 2026 at 3:50 p.m. at US 160, Highlandville, Missouri. Suspect 1, Richard Dean Bird is a white, male, age 45, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 145 pounds, with a bald head and brown eyes. Last seen wearing unknown clothing. Suspect possibly has a beard. Known to be armed with a firearm. This alert has been updated to include suspect information for a fatal shooting of a law enforcement officer in Christian County. The suspect vehicle has been located, however, the suspect is still at large. If located, 911.
Holy shit.